Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out whether the Windows computer supports 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 10 computer, so you may use any Windows computer. So how you can find out what Wi-Fi connections our Windows computer supports? So for this, what you need to do, just move your cursor to the start and just search for one application name as command from. You can see a command from. So just run it as administrator. You can just right click, or you can choose here run as administrator, or you can just right click and run as administrator. Now here in the command from, what you need to type is you need to type net sh space WLAN space so space drivers. So you need to type this command. Once you type this command that is written here, as you can see, net sh WLAN so drivers. So once you type this command, just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Wait for a few seconds. Now it will display some details, right? So here you can see radio type supported, right? So here you will see a different radio types, that is 802.11b, 802.11g, 802.11n and 802.11a. So here you are seeing different radio type supported. So what does this means, right? So let me make you clear. If it is written that 802.11b, 802.11g and 802.11n, so this much, so up to the 3. If it is showing only 3, that is only up to n on your Windows computer, then it means that your computer only supports 2.4 GHz, not the 5 GHz. But if you see a additional like 802.11a, or instead of 11a, if you see 802.11ac, still it's the same. So if you see this kind of radio type supported, then that means your computer, that is the Windows computer, supports both 2.4 GHz as well as the 5 GHz. So my Windows computer supports both the 2.4 and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi connections. So if you don't see this 802.11a or 802.11ac, then your computer only supports the 2.4 GHz. So in this way, by going to this command from and typing the respective commands, you can find out whether your Windows computer supports 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi connections or not. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find any difficulty in using this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.